tinatry natin mag-grow sa loob ng bahay ng medicinal plant indoor. Ito ay isang species ng herb which they call it oregano. Ito, katatanim lang kahapon and now it's looking good. Dalawang planters. And then meron tayong, they call it Thailand ginger or something else. I'm not sure. Yeah, katatanim lang natin ngayon. And another one is we have chili seed. We'll see kung after 1 week tutubo siya. Tinatry lang natin. And also the other one is kinukulob natin para hindi mawala yung moisture. This is peppermint. Ang pangalan dito sa not peppermint actually. Ang tawag dito mint. Ang tawag sa Saudi, we call it nana. Okay, katatanim lang natin and we have to wait at least 2 weeks. Makikita natin kung may tutubo nga o we'll see. Okay, and lastly meron tayong cuttings dito. Ang cuttings na to is kita nyo nakakulob. I cannot reveal it now kasi hindi ko pwedeng buksan kasi nakakulob siya. But it's a variety of bougainvillea which is flowering in red. Okay, I think this one will go better after a month, so medyo matagal-tagal. Okay, so for the meantime we have to watch this, how it will grow, yung oregano, kung gaano kabilis mag-grow. Now it's 1 day. You see, nakikita nyo yung mga dahon, okay pa rin. Just 1 day old now. Okay, thank you.